There's many ways to do your sauteed onions. You understand what I'm saying? I use a little soy sauce. I use smoked paprika. You know what I'm saying? Just give it a little excitement. That's all. Wait a minute.
Kurt, you ready for me yet?
Yeah. Huh?
I'm waiting for you to eat
Look,
me.
Don't start. You wait your turn.
Ah, man.
What's going on with your pop?
Everything good?
Yep, you just in time for dinner.
Well, I can get some of that.
It's good too.
It's good.
It's good.
Okay.
If you hang around a minute, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Today I made hamburger, gravy, mashed potatoes, green peas, and I got a yeast roll here. Okay, you know I got the Perrier. You got to have that. Put a little lemon and lime in there. And I got some leftover banana pudding cake. Who don't like banana pudding cake? Take a look at that. Okay. This is so good. Look at those sauteed onions. Cooked to perfection. You hear me? People don't get no better than this. This is a quick and easy meal. You hear me? I'm gonna get about this yeast roll. This is good. Cheers. People, I know y'all be enjoying these videos because I enjoy making them. You understand what I'm saying? So if you enjoy these videos and you would like to see more like this, subscribe to Roundtree TV, like this video, and leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking, alright?